Hello, my name is Lexis. I'm gonna show my game. Okay, so the game is the controllers first, yeah? So I use W to walk around and then I turn with the mouse, with the cursor. And the mission or the objective of the game is to collect all the items and be aware of your life because we're in Neptune. Your life is gonna go down with time, and you can collect life on the planet, of course. So we're gonna start. It's a bit too loud. Okay, so uh, first I'm gonna talk about why all the teleports made the game, or why did it come, the idea came up. I had my astronaut for last semester, and I wanted to work on it. I wanted to use it, but I couldn't at the end because I didn't have enough animations done for it. So I had to use this free asset that I found on the Unity store. Okay, let me go back because I found out that it's easier to start as a starting point from the spaceship and then just go down, left or right. And it's easier for me to have an idea where I'm going. So I did some changes after I submitted the game because I was testing it yesterday before, and I couldn't play, I couldn't win at all because many things. Yeah, first it's really easy to get lost because there is no like direction, there is no hints. Yes, there is no hints. There is no hints. There is no list. So I didn't know that I would need all of that till I tested it, and yeah, so that's the main reason. And also that I'm missing some kind of like message to show, oh, you cannot collect this item because you need a specific ability. Yeah, like I tried to put it on the description, but it's not enough. For example, like to collect the fuel tank that I just grabbed just now, I need the super strength, that is the bull. I didn't find anything else to put on that has a low poly style. Yeah, so and then the star is dexterity, and the one that I want to collect last, I need dexterity to collect it. What else? Then in terms of coding, I think I can do already. I don't know. Yeah. So now it's not that like difficult to find the portal. Sometimes it is, but like I made the moons way smaller, and half percent smaller, and it's easier to like run around and look over the moon and check. For example, there is an object there that is the one that I needed to get abilities, and so yeah, I needed to add the message when I try to collect something. I think this is the one that I can't collect without the 3 abilities. Is it? Nope. Well, in terms of coding, I started with it was a pain because I wanted to use this spheric planet, and I wanted to walk on the spheric planet. Oh, this is a super jump. I wanted to walk on the spheric planet, and I had to use my own gravitational physics law. Yeah, so there is 2 scripts, one on each planet and each moon, well, on the planet, because there is only one planet, and on each moon that is the gravity attractor. So, and then there is another script. There is another script on the astronaut. So that's the gravity body. Oh, these are the spanners. There's one. Two spanners. There is a gravity body, and where's the teleport? And so that makes the astronaut stay on the planet and be able to walk. So that was the first step, make the guy walk. And then I went for the animations. I had first the walking animation, and then I had to do the jump. It's still a bit asynchronous, because if you see, at least I think this one is because of the mesh colliders. You see that's like a kind of bug between walk and fall state, because then the jump state has two animation: the jump start, jump, falling, and the landing state. So sometimes, because I don't have like the right here, there, because you could see it, I don't have all the mesh colliders on the right position on the right tag, so sometimes it's really glitchy about the jump animation. And because I couldn't figure I couldn't that one. I couldn't figure the raycast to be able to work the animation better. So what I was using first the collider, but it was so glitchy that I couldn't. It didn't work. Like sometimes I would jump and then it would like stay in that animation, and I didn't know how to change between animation between landing and falling, so it was hard. So I used the enter collision, and it works better because that's the one I'm using now, but still sometimes it's weird. Then after I figured the animations and everything there, I went for what else I did. I think it was a teleport. I think was his next step. Yeah, I think it was a teleport. Okay, so the teleport, like, it was relatively easy. I had to just create these objects that I made and put one on the planet and then one on the moon. Then the hard part was when I had to change my gravitational physics law, because I had to change the gravity attractor of the gravity body to the moon's gravity attractor. So there was a bit of a challenge, but I figured, so every time I teleport, I change the gravity attractor of my guy here, and once I teleport back, I change it again. So then the guy doesn't just fly away, yes, to the planet again, because that was what's happening before. I think this is the last one. Yes, yay! This is the last one. Okay, this is the winning state. So now I'm gonna play it again to show you guys the losing state. I'm just gonna walk around, and yeah. So the teleport was one of the things. After was just the collectibles, being able to use the bitwise operators to collect the powers, so the abilities, and then the items, count the items. That was it. The rest, it was quite easy. I had a problem with putting the collectibles on the moons, because I realized that once the collider was colliding with the moon, my gravitational law would would act really weird. So yeah, so I would like move to the side without actually moving. Yeah, it was. So I had to change the physics of the of Unity and create a level, not a level, like a layer, yeah, and apply the layer and make sure that the layer disable the physics of the layer that the collectors are, the objects are, and the planet. They weren't like colliding to each other in terms of physics, and that's how I fixed it. That was one of the main problems that I had with the collectors, with the items that are on the moon. Probably that was it. So I can remember. I don't remember if I faced many other challenges. Probably I did, but I don't remember. So that's all. And this is the losing state, where once your life is going down to zero, you lose. So that would be all. Thank you.